Alright, hello everybody, my name is Zahir Khan and welcome to my video. In this video, I will demonstrate how to make the game MineSweeper. So we're going to start off with the grid. This whole section is just making the grid, and then we have another file that will activate the game itself. So for the grid, we have a 10 by 10 grid according to these lines. So right here we have a grid that's just labeling each box. We have another one that overlaps, just like this one, except this one adds the bombs. Now we have the bomb grid, as you see right here, and this right here randomizes where the bombs go. So this section right here, get counter location. This makes it so when you click on it, you will see a randomized number. If we scroll down a little more, we'll see the create count grid. We're going to get the number rows, columns, and bombs. Then we have a public boolean to make it true or false on whether what you click on is going to be a bomb or a number. And then get count grid, and then the bomb location here at the bottom. Now we have the grid driver, or the main. See here we import JFrame and button, action listener, event. We basically need these two. These two are the most important ones because that's what allows the images to pop up and for the user to be able to interact with it. So here we have the grid driver. This is just taking the 10 by 10 area. This is also doing that. In the next section, we are just creating the grid again, or we're just overlapping it with commands so that way you could be able to interact with it. We have the set exit on close. That means if you do a certain command or you click a certain window, then it'll close it. We have the bomb grid here again. We have the array list integers, which will put the value of the box when you click on it. And this code right here will actually shuffle it, so each time you restart the game, all the numbers and bombs will be in different locations. But this is specifically just for the bombs. Oh no, this right here is for the bombs. This right here is for the numbers. And then here we have the count grid again. Right here, this is determining where the bomb location. We have another location for the numbers. We have a bunch of if statements to determine where the numbers go. Down here we have just a series of ints, so that way it'll pull up an actual number. Here we have the bomb grid, which will overlap but allow you to see the actual bombs. We have the count grid again. And here we have the main class, the grid driver. Here's a command to reset. So it'll give you the option to reset when you either win or lose. So at the actions performed section right here, this is showing where the certain text are going to be placed. Text as in the bomb, because I'm not uploading an image. It's just the bomb's going to be just named bombs. And we have the last bit where if you do interact with a bomb, it'll pop up this line right here where it'll say game over, and it'll give you the option to go again. If you press it again, it starts over. Otherwise, you exit the thing. You exit the game. And then last but not least, if you do manage to win, this line will prompt, ask you to play again. If you don't want to play again, you exit, and that's basically it. Alright, so now we're going to run the code. We're going to come up here, we're going to click run, right here, and here's the 10 by 10 grid. So now we're going to interact with the grid. Start by clicking anywhere. See, we got a 3, a 1, a 1, 3. We'll just keep going with it. There we have 2, and bomb. Alright, we got our first bomb. You lost. Do you want to play again? We're going to click yes. We're going to try again. 3, 3, 0, 1, 2. Bomb. You lost. Do you want to play again? We'll do it one more time. And bomb. So now we're going to click no, and when we click no, the game will exit itself. So that is basically it for my code. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.